Most people with polycystic ovarian syndrome tend to battle with infertility. Even though it's not everybody, there are some that are able to get pregnant and even give birth, but there are majority of them that are finding it difficult trying to get pregnant. And I want to explain to you for you to know the very reason why it happens that way. If you are new to this channel, my name is Osu Kojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Polycystic ovarian syndrome leads to you as a woman producing a lot of male hormones. A woman having male hormone is normal. However, it shouldn't be that this male hormone, which is androgen, is very high. That affects your ovulation. Now, have it in mind as a woman, at the end of every month, your ovaries mature one egg with the anticipation that a sperm will fertilize it for a baby or pregnancy to happen. And when nothing like fertilization happens, it will break down and you will experience this monthly menses which always come. However, when the male hormone, which is androgen, is being produced in a very high amount, this makes a lot of the egg cells unable to mature for it to be released. So there will be a lot of immature egg cells inside the ovaries, and that will lead to fluid-filled sacs inside the ovaries, which are called cysts. And eventually, since you are unable to produce a matured egg, there is no way the sperm can be able to fertilize in order for pregnancy to happen. So you will notice that you will try your possible best trying to get pregnant, but you can't because your ovaries are unable to mature the egg cells for it to be released for the male sperm to fertilize with it for pregnancy to happen. If you are one kind of person having this kind of difficulty, it is advisable you see your gynecologist. If you want to get pregnant, they can be able to assist you, help you, give you certain kind of medications, advice. If there's a need for any kind of intervention, they know what they can be able to do for you in order to eventually get pregnant. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and then share this video to many people.